Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adoredonnie. So today I will be showing you guys what 3 products I use to get this defined 2-strand twist out. Let's get a close up on them curls. Yes. It's nice and fluffy and soft. Give y'all a little shake. Alright you guys, anyways, if you want to see what 3 products I use to get this cute twist out, then keep on watching, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so let's get into this video. I washed my hair like a day ago and I was deep conditioning and ended up forgetting to like wash out the deep conditioner. So now I just basically rinse my hair, and now I'm just going to basically add product to my hair now, style it like how I usually do. So I'm gonna start off with some leave-in conditioner by Curly Bell. I'm using their Thirsty Curls leave-in conditioner. Use that much, and of course my hair did not want to stay up. So now we're gonna go in with some curl control jelly by Curls. This is from their Blueberry Bliss line. But yeah, I love this gel because like it works great on my hair, especially for twist outs, y'all. Like I won't be upset if this twist out don't come out right, because usually it does. But and I think this would be a good gel for washing goes as well. I'm gonna use that much. I wish they had like a bigger container for that gel, and it just smells so good. Like y'all, I just love that line. I already used up my leave-in conditioner, so I ain't got that no more. But yeah, I just love how it smells. It just smells so good, y'all. Like, but like I wish they had like a big container of it, because I feel like I need a bigger container. That way I could just like scoop my hand up in it and just plop it right on my hair. So I'm going to use the Moisture Lock Oil Nutrients to seal in. This is by J Organic Solutions. I'm just going to use a little bit. I'm just gonna put it on my hair. And now I'm just gonna twist it. And I honestly did not test out these products together, so hopefully it don't get that white residue, but let's pray we don't get the white residue, because it's gonna be a whole waste of time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Like, but I think I just used too much product, which I always do. I ain't worried about that. But with it being on my hands, I don't think it will, as long as it fully dries. I'm basically just gonna do the same thing. I should have brought some water in here because my hair is definitely not gonna stay down. extra shot for you guys. Alright, so this is what we're working with. So far, my twists are looking pretty good. They looking real juicy right now. So we'll see how this turns out tomorrow. They should be dry because I did it on damp, dry-ish hair. So fingers crossed. But yeah, products I use will all be linked down below in my description. Hey you guys, so it is the next day and it is time to take these babies down. I'm taking these down with the same oil that I used yesterday. So I'm just gonna rub that oil all over my hands. Alright you guys, so those are the products that I use to get this cute define Twistout. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you had tried any other products, or if there's a product that I should try on a Twistout, let me know. And also share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell beside the subscription button. That way you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright you guys, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.